Forget the iPhone 17 for a second, because the iPhone 18 Pro might just blow it out of the water. If the 17 didn't impress you, this next model could change everything. One of the biggest upgrades may be the complete removal of the notch. Apple is rumored to bring under-display Face ID, which means no more dynamic island and no more notch cluttering your screen. Just a clean, uninterrupted display, exactly what users have been asking for. Apple is also expected to add an anti-reflective coating to the screen, something competitors like Samsung have offered for years. This will make the display easier to see outdoors and cut down on annoying reflections. On the back, the new ceramic shield too might be slightly transparent, giving a subtle peek at the internals like the MagSafe coil, a small but eye-catching design touch that sets it apart from the iPhone 17 lineup. Let's talk power. The A20 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process, is expected to deliver 15% faster performance and 30% better power efficiency, meaning smoother multitasking, better battery life, and cooler operation. Plus, 12 GB of RAM will be standard, so demanding apps and games should run effortlessly. Apple is also planning to ditch Qualcomm's modem in favor of its own C2 modem, supporting mmWave 5G. This should mean faster, more stable connections, and improved battery efficiency. Now for the camera. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to feature a variable aperture on the main lens, giving photographers more control over light whether shooting in bright sun or low light. The new 3-layer stacked sensor, supplied by Samsung, will boost dynamic range and image quality. Apple might also upgrade the camera control button, making it feel more like a pro camera for creators who shoot serious content. Battery life is expected to get a solid upgrade too. Apple could use high-density battery tech, allowing the phone to stay thinner while storing more power than the iPhone 17 Pro. So why wait? With under-display Face ID, the A20 Pro chip, 12 GB RAM, pro-level camera, and better battery life, the iPhone 18 Pro could be the iPhone fans have been dreaming of. Which feature excites you the most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest iPhone 18 Pro updates and more breaking tech news. Rocket Mobile Phone.